Comet K 2025 aspirants, so here is an important update for all of you. So Comet K has already declared the results date. Okay, so let's see that. You can go to the Comet K official website and click here for the new notification, and just if you go to the second page of this notification, you can see calendar of events for all the candidates, those who have given the exam on 10th of May and those who have given the exam on 25th of May. So for all the students, the provisional answer key will be released on 28th of May 2025 at 11 a.m. on Wednesday. Okay, and once the provisional answer key is released, you will also have the option to raise objections on the questions. That means suppose certain question answers you find is given wrong, you can raise the question on that particular question. Now, once the provisional answer key is given and when you have to objections you can raise, that particular thing is available till 30th of May 2025 up to 4 p.m. Okay, on Friday, and that will be the last date of receiving the challenges to the provisional answer key. Now coming to the 4th of June 2025 at 12 noon, the final answer key will be published, and then on 7th of June 2025 at 2 p.m., that's on Saturday, your rank or score cards will be made live, right? So you can see the results on 7th of June 2025. Okay, so that's all students, and I hope all of you have done well in the exam. So all the best.